Good day, Chair of the Board of Education with responsibility for quality online course within the department. My name is SMorgan, a student at the University of Maryland Global Campus. Recently, a case study analysis was done on a past course, LDT 100X, Learning Design and Technologies, Learning Theories. It was offered by the University of Maryland Global Campus, which was hosted on the edX Learning Management System. The course was analyzed using the scorecard or rubric of quality course teaching and instruction practice. And there were 10 areas on the scorecard that were evaluated or analyzed. These areas are course design, accessibility, ADA compliance, and universal design, course learning outcome, as well as the course content. Also, assignments, instructor's role, class discussion and engagement, building community, as well as communication and course improvement. Today, I will present to you the findings of the case study analysis by highlighting the pros and cons of the current design and offer recommendations for future occurrences of the course. Having analyzed the course, there are several areas of effectiveness. However, I will just highlight 3 at this time. The first is course design. Out of 26 points, course design received 22 because one area could not be assessed at this time. The course has an easy-to-follow syllabus. The dates for assignments are clearly stated. Also, expectation for successful completion is in the course. It must be noted that best practice in course design to help to promote students' engagement and retention within the learning environment. Additionally, the other area of effectiveness in this course is that of accessibility, ADA compliance, and universal design. Out of 4 points, this area received full 4 points. Even though this area did not elaborate much as the other components of the scorecard, within the course, it is evident that all the videos used within the course do have closed captioning capabilities, as well as the images in the course also have ALT text and attribution. According to Kenneth and Wilson 2019, they speak of the importance of ADA and UDL compliance because these capabilities break down the barrier to education and allow all learners to access the course material. Course content is also another area of effectiveness within this course. Course content, out of 18, it received 16 points because one area could not be assessed at this time, hence the reason for this. This course was not extraneous. Learners were able to complete the course within the allotted time because the course material was evenly spaced, allowing for this to happen. Despite the course have these areas of effectiveness and it did benefit students, there's also some areas that could do with some improvement. And the first 2 I would like to make mention of are communication and instructor role because both of them were given 30 points. However, communication received 21 and instructor role received 17 because 5 aspects of this component could not be assessed at this time, and the same for communication. 5 could not be assessed. So that is the reason. And then there were areas that had the 0 for now emerging. As a result, the course lost some points here. Another area that could do with some improvement would be the area of continuous course improvement. Continuous course improvement, out of 10 points, it did not receive any points because 2 areas could not be assessed at this time, so it got an A, and the other areas received a 0 for now emerging. Hence, the course lost a lot of points here in this regard. Some recommendations, therefore, I would like to make about these is 1, to allow for feedback from students, as this may help with the evaluation process of the course, because No student were given any evaluation to find out from them how the course went. And so that's the reason that this section here lost those points. Additionally, when it comes to instructors' role and communication, these areas too could do with some improvement because students need to feel that sense of care from their instructor, knowing that the instructor is there giving them the guidance and the support that they will need in the course. And if utilizing the Web 2.0 tools such as Zoom or Google Meet will be a great way for the instructor to reach out to students. It could be once a week or once per month, depending on the duration of the course, so that students will feel that sense of connectivity with the instructor in the course. In addition to that, by having this instructor's presence in the course, then I believe that better engagement from students will be there and even retention of students. This pie chart shows the 10 areas of the scorecard that was evaluated and how many each received. Here you can see the small portion allotted to accessibility, which was just about 3%. And here you see the continuous course improvement did not receive any score. So out of 194 points, it only received 146. Finally, here's a summary of the course analysis. Here you could see out of the 30 points, you see that the instructor received 17 and how many were not assessed. So all that are in blue is what could not be assessed at this time. What is in red is the score that was given, and what is in green shows what was actually received by the course. Hence, out of 194, the score received was 146. Thank you, and should you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.